once again all of you for the lecture in physics, especially topic corresponds to quantum mechanics, and the point to be discussed is expectation value. Okay, let me remind you, in quantum mechanics, if there is a particle, it is quite impossible for us to detect this particle position. Where is that particle? For that purpose, what we do, we are trying to search its wave called as matter wave around itself, and that matter wave is represented in terms of a wave function psi. If it is along x-axis, then that function is psi of xt or psi of x time independent. But we know very well that by simple value of psi x, it is not possible for us to detect the particle because it has positive value, negative value, or complex value as well. For that purpose, what we do, we try to find its mod of psi square. It gives the positive value only, and it is also represented as psi star. This is called as probability density, means probability of finding the particle in the given region per unit volume. This is probability density. If it is along x-axis, and the total probability to be determined within the range from value of x to, this is x plus dx. This range dx, the total probability can be obtained for the dx range only, psi star dx, or you may say mod of psi square dx. But this probability corresponds to probability of finding the particle in the range of dx, means from x to x plus dx. The total probability in the whole region of x-axis can be obtained by taking the integration of mod of psi square dx or integration of psi star dx is the total probability of finding the particle in that range. But we know very well that if the particle is actually present somewhere there in this region, then the total probability must be considered to be 1, that is unity. And if this is happened, then such a type of wave function is called as normalized wave function. But let me clear one thing here. It is quite impossible for us to detect the exact position of the particle, the exact value of x where the particle is present, whether it is at x.1, x.2, x.3, x.4, x.5 or x.x. Where is the exact position of the particle? We can't able to find it directly. For that purpose, the term came into role here, expectation value. Means we have to expect that particle is somewhere present here. Expectation value corresponds to presence of particle within the range in terms of expectation simply. It corresponds to average position simply. It corresponds to mean position of the particle, mean value of x, average value of position x, or expectation value of x. What I am trying to conclude here, the expectation value means the expectation value of position x at which the particle might be present. We cannot find the definite value, but we can give expectation value of position of the particle in terms of coordinate x, and that is represented by expectation x. If rather than there is another variable, just like position coordinate, there is another variable f, its expectation value is represented by f. There is expectation value of momentum and energy as well, but we will discuss these 2 points later on at the end of this lecture. Now question in front of us is that how to detect, how to represent the expectation value of position x within the range from x to x plus dx. That can be represented by simple formula. Let me write that formula. Expectation value of x is equal to total probability psi psi star psi dx multiplied by the value of x itself, whose expectation value is to be determined, upon total probability of finding the particle psi star dx. You can see here there is total probability psi star psi dx along with the x as well, but at the denominator there is only integration of psi star psi dx, only total probability. This is the difference between them, and that's why it is called as average value as well. This is also called as mean value as well. The mean value or average value or expectation value of position x is defined as integration of x psi star psi dx divided by integration of psi star psi dx. But as I said earlier, integration of psi star dx for normalized wave function is equal to 1. Therefore, the expected value of position coordinate x is equal to simply integration of x psi star psi dx. Sometimes what happens, some people might write that expression like this: expectation value of x is equal to integration. I am going to write psi star initially, then after x, and then lastly this psi dx. So this is also the explanation or equation or definition for expectation value of x for the normalized wave function psi. I hope you understood this expectation value of x. Now let's move to dynamical variable. So this is how the expectation value of position operator x can be defined by this expression. And if the wave function is normalized, integration psi star dx total probability comes out to be unity, then this expectation value is limited to numerator only, because the denominator is equal to 1. That's why expectation value of position x is equal to simply integration x psi star dx, denominator is equal to 1. Now let's move towards the expectation value of dynamical variable. Let me clear here. The dynamical variable x can be obtained in this expectation value can be obtained in this fashion. Let me write somewhere here. Expectation value of dynamical variable f is equal to, again the same expression, in numerator integration psi star f psi dx upon integration psi star psi dx. Okay, and if the function is normalized, the denominator is comes out to be equal to 1. That's why for dynamical variable f, the expectation value of f is equal to simply numerator integration psi star now f psi and dx. Let's move towards the expectation value of momentum operator p, or simply momentum can be represented by p, just how like this. It is given by the similar expression. Expectation value of p is equal to integration, same one, psi star p psi dx. The difference for dynamical variable is only that rather than taking directly this p momentum, we must have to take its value of momentum operator p cap here. And you know very well that the momentum operator p cap is represented by minus IH cut delta by x. It is the x component of momentum operator px. So the expectation value of momentum operator p is equal to integration psi star, now p cap is this, its value minus IH cut delta by x of psi dx. And same is the expression for or definition for expectation value of momentum P. If you want to extend that, this can be represented as expectation value of P equal to integration psi star minus I h cut, now dabba psi by dabba x, dabba psi by dabba x into dx simply. So this is the definition of expectation value of momentum P with its momentum operator minus I h cut dabba by dabba x. Of course, if there is a Py y component, then it is minus I h cut dabba by dabba y, then there is a dy simply. Z component x P z equal to minus I h cut dabba by dabba z with dz as the respective variable. Now let's move to the third one, energy operator, or you say simply energy E with its expectation value E. How it can be defined? It can be defined in the similar way, just what we defined earlier for dynamical variable F in this way, for the momentum operator in this way. Now similarly for the energy, expectation value of energy E is equal to integration psi star. Now rather than E, there should be E psi dx, and you must know that the energy operator E is represented by E equal to minus I h cut dabba by dabba t. Sorry, I made a mistake here. There is not a negative sign, there is a positive sign. Simply I h cut dabba by dabba t with respect to time. So the final expression for expectation value of energy operator E is given by expectation value of energy equal to integration psi star. Now E is I h cut dabba by dabba t, I h cut dabba by dabba t, and then psi, and finally dx. So this is the definition of expectation value of energy E for the respective range from x to x plus dx. I hope you understood about all this expectation value of position x, dynamic relief for momentum and energy. For the next lecture, we are heading towards the question asked in previous exam. Now let's discuss the different questions which are already asked in the previous exam. Just like this. Define expectation value of x if wave function is not normalized. You have to define such that for a particle with the average position, to determine the expectation value of x is the average position of x defined by expectation value of x equal to integration x psi star psi dx divided by integration psi star psi dx when the function is not normalized. This is that definition. Of course, you have to mention earlier the expectation value of position x in the region from x to x plus dx is given by this formula when the wave function is not normalized. Simply you have to write this and earlier few words. Next question is define expectation value of Px, x component of momentum operator. The expectation value of Px means this is equal to integration psi star p cap psi dx in the range from x to x plus dx is given by expectation value of Px equal to integration psi star. Now p cap is minus I h cut dabba by x psi dx. This is the definition of that expectation value of p. What I meant to say, you have to write down this expression along with this in the range x to x plus dx. The next question is, state expectation value of energy. The expectation value of energy for the particle to determine probability in the range from x to x plus dx is given by expectation equal to integration psi star e psi dx, expectation e equal to integration psi star I h cut dabba by dabba t psi dx, where e equal to I h cut dabba by dabba t. This is the definition of that question. This is how you can prepare this topic in quantum mechanics for the respective exam. I hope you understood. Thank you.